Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to add image to layer in GIMP. So if you want to do it, you need to go to the left upper corner and you need to click on File tab. After that, we need to go to New or use shortcut Ctrl N. It will let you to create a new image. So we need to type here image size. I recommend you to type dimensions that I have here. After that, you need to click OK button and the background will be successfully created here as a new layer. So now we need to open directory or folder where we have our image saved. I have my image saved on desktop. So now I click on it and I drag and drop this image inside the project. After a moment it will be successfully imported here. After that we need to click right mouse button here on this one icon and we need to select here scale. It will let us to scale our image. So for example I will make it smaller. So we need to decrease size of this image. After that I will be able to move this image inside the project, and how you see our image has been successfully added to this background. And now we need to click again on alignment tool and then we need to click right mouse button on the layer that we want to merge. After that we need to select here option merge down, and how you see our layers have been successfully merged. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.